welcome to Rosekids! Today... Whoa! Who's this? Right, Minions! Okay, today we are going to make Minions Marshmallow Pops! What do we need today? We need marshmallows, yellow melted chocolate. It will be the Minions body. Blue melted chocolate. It will be the Minions pants. Lollipop sticks. Black and white decorate pan. And stand. First, we are going to cut the marshmallow to make Minions body and the pants. Let's cut the marshmallow. You should be careful when you use scissors. And I have the lollipop stick and the short marshmallow. I'm going to put the stick into the marshmallow. Now we are going to use this marshmallow stick dipped into the chocolate. It will be the pants of the Minions, so we can choose the blue color. Right, it will be the pants of the Minions. Now let's make the body parts. Put the stick and pants part into the big marshmallows. Now, what color do we need now? Right, we need yellow color. Now, I'm going to dip into the chocolate. Wow, it looks like Minions body parts. Right, so now I made the Minions body parts. So we are going to draw the eyes and the glasses. Look! Ooh! I have black decorating pen and the white color too. Look! Right! We made Minions! Wow, the Minions has only one eye. So he has one glasses. It's good. Okay, this time we are going to make two eyes Minions. Ta-da! Look! He has two eyes a surprise! What a cute minions! Okay, this time, well, we are going to make another minions! Wow, look! This time I made big eyes minions! And he looks really happy. He's smiling now! And this time I will make very special minions! Oh, what does Rose make? I made 3 eyes minions! Oh my, it looks a little bit weird, but it's interesting! Oh. And this minions only has face. I will make angry face minions. Look! Angry minions! It's cute too! Yay! Does it look like angry? No, it's exciting! It looks exciting! Okay, so I will put this on stand again. Yay! Finally, we made many minions! Okay! This minion has 3 eyes. This minion has only 1 eye. Wow! Okay, so now it's time to eat. Let me taste this marshmallow pops. I will choose 1 eye minions. It's really sweet. This yellow part, it smells like lemon a little bit. And it tastes like real chocolate. I think it's really sweet. Maybe you really like this taste. Not bad. But I will only have 1. It's enough for me. Okay, everybody. Today we made Minions Marshmallow Pop. It's easy and it tastes really nice. It's really sweet. Okay, so right, it's time to say